Today we're going to be talking about the disease triangle. The disease triangle has a lot of wonderful things you can use because if any part of it is working and not allowing the disease to happen. So over here we have a host, this poor plant, which can be attacked by the pathogen, the disease. And over here we have the environment, which can be the wind, the rain. So way we can use the triangle is if you have a host who's strong, and because it's resistant to disease, it also didn't even bring in the disease with it accidentally. We have disease then can be chopped off parts of it, or you can do a crop rotation so it has to leave, so you can walk away, and so that we're using other places for growing. We can also control insects who might bring the disease to other plants, and we can also do sanitation, which meaning if you have some leaves that fall that have it, you can get rid of it. The cutting off might be like there's a fungal disease like anthracnose that goes after our berries. Sorry. So it winds up being that the berries, you have a rose color. You cut that off and you've now removed the problem because the disease is not there. It may come back, but it's not as bad. Finally, you might have your environment being with the weeds down at the bottom, and yes, the weed, and it's causing a lot of moisture in that area, or it's blocking the air circulation. So if you cut off any of these, then your diseases, it's not favorable to the disease growing. So use your disease triangle. We're going to get more into it by going to the IPM in the next film to go and see how you can use the ipm.ucanr.edu to be able to work out a plan. Again, we're going to use IPM to create a plan so that we can fight the diseases.